In this video, I'll guide you through how to run Facebook ads in Facebook Messenger. If you're creating ads through Facebook Ads Manager and want them to appear specifically in Facebook Messenger, the setup is fairly straightforward. This can be a useful option if your audience is active in Messenger and you want to focus your campaign on that placement instead of allowing Meta to distribute your ads across all available platforms. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the placement settings and how to adjust them for Messenger. To begin, sign into your Facebook Ads Manager account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the left side of the screen and select Campaigns. This is where you'll manage existing campaigns and create new ones. Next, click the Create button to start a new campaign. Facebook will ask you to choose a campaign objective. For this example, select the traffic objective, then continue to the next screen. After that, choose the Manual Traffic Campaign option to continue creating your campaign. Once the campaign has been created, you'll see that an ad set has already been generated automatically. Select the ad set, since this is where you'll configure the campaign's placement settings. Scroll down through the ad set options until you reach the Placements section. By default, Meta enables Advantage Plus Placements, which uses its algorithm to automatically decide where your ads are shown across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and other available placements. If you want full control over where your ad appears, click Edit and switch from Advantage Plus Placements to Manual Placements. This gives you the ability to choose exactly which platforms and locations will display your advertisement. Continue scrolling until you see the list of available placements. Locate Facebook Messenger and make sure it has a check mark beside it. If your goal is to advertise only on Messenger, you can remove the check marks from the other placement options. Keep in mind that limiting placements may reduce the overall reach and available traffic for your campaign, but it allows you to focus exclusively on Messenger. After selecting Messenger, continue creating your ad just as you normally would. Before finishing, scroll back up and choose the Messenger inbox placement if it's available for your targeting location. Depending on the country or audience you've selected, some Messenger placements may not be available. In certain regions, you may only have access to Messenger Stories, which is normal and depends on Meta's availability for that market. And that's all there is to running Facebook ads in Facebook Messenger. Once you've selected the appropriate Messenger placement and completed the rest of your campaign setup, your ad will be ready to reach users through Messenger based on the options available for your target audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.